Look what we have here. 1956 Oldsmobile 88 two-door sedan. Beautiful car. Kind of done up a little bit of a street rod look to it, but still retains a lot of the original Oldsmobile chrome and bright work on it. This particular car is powered by a Chevrolet 350 V8 underneath the hood. That is paired with a 200R4 automatic transmission, so you have overdrive. So this car's set up to drive. Take her down the interstate, take her down the highway. Don't be afraid to get out and drive it. Modern day power plant, or I should say more modern day power plant underneath the hood of this one compared to what it would came with back in 1956. Riding on the diamond back, wide white walls, nice chrome rallies. A lot of the chrome on this car has been redone, from the headlight bezels, hood ornament, and as you can see, the paint is a very nice luster to it, very nice shape. Chrome bumper. Again, this car shows very well. Be a great car for your local cruise-ins, car you could show, or just out for those Sunday drives. And some other things done underneath the hood, and new carb put on that 350. New water pump is a high output water pump, new alternator. So some nice upkeep has been done to this car. It does have front disc brakes. They are power, so power brakes, power steering. Again, that overdrive transmission. Has a custom stereo put into it that is hidden underneath the original stereo, behind the kind of the glove box door, so to speak. That's where the stereo is put. You can see they retained majority of the original dash there. Get the B&M automatic shifter on the floor, a couple aftermarket gauges underneath, and of course the tachometer. See the speaker down below in the kick panel. So speakers on both kick panels and then in the deck. Very nice install on this. Check out the trunk and the engine bay undersides too. Take a look at those still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. You'll see how clean and tidy this car is. Again, UniqueClassicCars.com, or feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. This car does have a Firebird subframe underneath it, new coil springs, does have electric wipers, Flowmaster exhaust. Some more details on it. Again, take a look at the chrome on the rear bumper, the 88 insignia on the back. Just a very, very nice looking car. Look how straight this car is down the side of it. Just look at how nice everything fits too, from the gas door, how even the gaps are. Come up and look at this driver's door. It's a quality done car. Interior's tastefully done. Again, check out those still pictures. Wait till you see the trunk. Very nice setup in there too. And I'm sure there's a few things that I'm missing on here, but like I said, feel free to give us a call. Sure, answer any questions you may have. 507-386-1726, the number we can be reached at. Check out this interior, and we're going to start it up so you can hear it too. But again, look at the carpeting, seats, door cards. Very nice car you can drive or show. Either one on this one. Headliner, great shape. Take the family or friends with. They can ride in comfort back there. There's the deck speakers, custom stereo install. Dash, and these are just beautiful. All that chrome. Let's go ahead and fire this one up so you can hear it. See how easily it starts. I'll show you that installation too of the stereo here. So there's a stereo little remote. Aftermarket gauges, B&M shifter. Hear how smooth this car runs too, and nothing crazy for exhaust. Just a nice little rumble out of it. Check out how nice the door closes there. There you can hear that V8 Flowmaster, just a deep little throaty rumble. Feel free to give us a call. Like I said, 507-386-1726. Still pictures once again, UniqueClassicCars.com. 1956 Olds 88 two-door sedan. Street rod look to it. Beautiful car.